will they perform essential activity in their upper courses and carry huge loads and silt, while the peninsular rivers carry a smaller amount of silt and sediments. These Himalayan rivers form meanders, oxbow lakes, and many other depositional features in the floodplains, while peninsular rivers form very a small number of meanders, oxbow lakes, and depositional activities in the floodplains and its lower course. Now we will discuss about the Himalayan rivers. The major Himalayan rivers. What are the Himalayan rivers? Which are the Himalayan rivers? The Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra are the major Himalayan rivers, which play a very important role in India. These rivers are long and are joined by many large and important tributaries. Dear students, these rivers are met by the different rivers which are called tributaries. So what are tributaries? So the rivers which rise from another place and meet to the main rivers, they are called tributaries of these rivers. For example, the Ganga rises from the Gangotri glacier of Himalayas, while Gandak rises from another place of the Himalayan regions, but it meets to Ganga. That's why Gandak is a tributary of the Ganga. A river along with its tributaries may be called a river system. It means, what is a river system? So a river along with its tributaries is called a river system. Now we will discuss about the one by one Himalayan rivers. First of all, let us discuss about the Indus river which rises from the Himalayas. So the river Indus rises in Tibet, near Lake Mansarovar. It means the Indus river rises from Tibet near Mansarovar lake. It flows west and enters India in the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir. It forms a picturesque gorge in this part. It means when Indus enters in India, there it forms a number of picturesque scenes. Several tributaries, the Jaskar, the Nubra, the Syok, and the Hunja join the Indus, the Nubra, the Siok and the Hunja join it in the Kashmir region. The which tributaries of Indus join it in Kashmir regions? So they are the Jaskar, Nubra, the Siok and the Hunja. The Indus flows through Baluchistan and Gilgit and emerges from mountains at top. It means Indus River flows through